Okay, let's settle the debate. Is the Insta360 X6 a legit game changer or just another overhyped cash grab? Right now, the X6 is one of the most hyped 360 cameras for 2026. It's been all over the forums, and thanks to certification leaks, we know it's real and dropping any day now, probably late April. Price-wise, I'm expecting it to land somewhere between $549 and $590 for the standard bundle. Not cheap, but not ridiculous for the features we're hearing about. So, what's new? First, 8K 60 frames per second 360-degree video. That's double the frame rate from last year's X5, which is wild. Add in a larger 1-inch sensor, which should finally give us better low-light shots that don't look like a fuzzy mess. You're also getting true 10-bit color, improved HDR with Pure Video 2.0, and, this is cool, a modular design. Imagine swapping out lenses for a gimbal head on the fly. So, scam or legit? Here's the truth. Insta360 isn't some sketchy pop-up. They're the biggest name in 360 tech, and every new model from the X3 to the X5 has brought real improvements. There are actual regulatory filings, like ER 5764626, proving the X6 exists and is clearing for sale. This isn't vaporware. But, here's why people feel scammed. Insta360 drops a new flagship basically every year. If you just bought the X5, seeing the X6 pop up so soon can sting. Plus, the company's been called out for slow shipping, spotty customer service, and sometimes overhyped influencer reviews. I get it. Nobody wants to feel like their brand new camera is suddenly last year's news. Bottom line? The X6 is very real, and it looks like a beast. But if you just dropped cash on the X5, you might want to skip this round.